Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you're safe and healthy. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to watch my previous videos on INBDE or NBDE Part 1 question series. So before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video that I post pretty much daily. And don't forget to like, comment, share if you like the content of this video. So let's start. So the very first slide, or maybe the second one, will always provide you the answers to my previous videos, 10 unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have already tried solving those. So moving to the next slide. The third slide with questions and answers. So make sure you go over to these slides at least twice so that you have all these questions and answers embedded in your mind. Moving to the next slide. Alright, so with this last slide, I'm again sharing 10 unsolved questions. So please pause this video and spend some time to find the answers to these. I will provide answers to all of these in my next video. Again, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like, comment, and share my videos so that it helps others as well. Bye for now.